Hey guys, it's Ann Yorks from the Flower Box, and in last week's vlog, I showed you how I got everything ready for our Halloween release, prepping all of the cookies, designing the cookie cutters, printing cutters, just all of the steps that it takes to make this release happen. And this week, we're going to see if that hard work pays off. It's the day before the big release, and nerves are always a little high the day before we put a product out. And so we're just getting on the same page, our final to-do list of what we need to take care of to make the release successful. It's release day, and we have all of the cookie cutters in their bins. Everything is packed up and looking so super cute, ready to ship out. So we have 18 cutters. That's 12 regular cutters. Then we have 3 minis, and then the tic-tac-toe set, which is kind of like a jumbo cookie cutter with 2 little itty bitty ghost and that. And then we have this free cutter, which is our haunted gingerbread house. And we have all of the new Halloween sprinkles. They're on the shelf here. We don't put them all out, but just enough to grab. So they're all hiding back here, ready to be picked. And we have all of our bundles made. This is Mouse Pumpkins. This is the Gingerbread Frankenstein bundle. We have the Sweet and Spooky bundle, the mini gingerbread, and the Ghost Pets bundle. These are ready to go, just easy to grab for Amy and Kristen when they're filling orders, just to grab and go. Just kind of nice. And then we have a whole bunch of stencils that we just got restocked. This is from Baked Art. This is new. This is new. We have restocked a bunch of Christmas holiday stencils. And this is our other new one. This is a 3-piece stencil. Mystic something is what this is called. And then this pumpkins stencil, this is what I used on that tic-tac-toe set. That's one of our popular ones, as well as maple leaves and also the fall and maple leaves. So we became a customer of Laura's maybe about a year ago, and her stencil designs have been doing really well for us. So thanks, Laura. We love how you package and how quick you get your orders out to us. All of our big sets did get built, which is so exciting. So we have all of the backer cards for all of the designs on top. Everything's in a really cute polka dot bag. We have the tic-tac-toe pumpkin that just kind of keeps those itty bitties. And in here is that pumpkin set, and then we have all the cutters just lined up. There's a little bit of room in this box. If customers add on other items, sometimes we can pop them in this box, and sometimes this box we just have to put in a larger shipping box. But I love how pretty everything looks for the customer. Amy brought in apple cider donuts for the team and pumpkin spice sheet cake. I think we're also going to head to Dunkin' today too, just for team morale. In Dunkin', what can I get for you? Hi, I love.
You have on. Okay, so we'll start from the bottom up. I have my Uggs, my fall socks, I have my jeans, my t-shirt from Coco Natasha, something like
Coco
that.
Natasha.
Vests, and my earrings.
You're ready for the Halloween release.
Halloween release.
I just sent the email about maybe 15 minutes ago, and we have about 100 people on the website. This is the big globe on the Shopify platform, and you can just see, kind of where everybody is coming from. So just all the different states, Maine down to Florida, and some West Coasters. It's early, which is kind of cool just to see all the different people that are in here. And I can see that there are 5 active carts. 1 is checking out and 1 is purchased. So thanks guys so much. That's so amazing. And I'll continue to provide updates on how the launch is going. But this is always so exciting. It's so much fun to see where everybody's shopping from. Gosh, we even have somebody way down here. I don't know where that is. Let's see. Panama. That's cool. Hello, Panama. But yeah. And it's been staying at about 100 for the last 10 minutes. People come and go, shopping, just getting acquainted with all of the new products. This is what the homepage looks like. I put a pop-up graphic for the free cutter. And I have all the new cutters, new sprinkles, the new natural gels. When you click on here, it takes you down through all of the new items, backers. And then there's so much new stuff, you actually have to go to page 2 to see the new gels. So I don't know how I feel about that, but can't really get more than 50 products on that featured homepage. And yeah, so off to a good start. Seeing lots of sprinkles on here, the tic-tac-toe, pumpkin. This candy corn cupcake is doing really well. And the witch boots. And then everybody over $15 is getting the free cutter. Lots of naturals on that order. Ghost pets. Happy ghost. These are so fun. Thank you guys so much for all your orders. It's so fun to see what everybody is ordering. And lots of packaging too, which is so exciting. So see a little bit of the Thanksgiving going and some of the cookie bags as well. So thank you guys so much. So we launched about an hour ago and it has been so good. So I'm seeing tons of new cutters on the orders. Thank you guys so much. It's so exciting to see it. I'm seeing a great response to the new packaging and sprinkles. I'm seeing a ton of sprinkles on orders, which is really exciting. And I'm also seeing some of those new naturals on orders as well. These are in the 1.87 ounce bottles. Excited to do actually just a separate YouTube video on naturals, how to use them and how they look. And for customers that just want to try them out, we also have this small 4-color set. These little gel bottles are tinier, but it's just a great way to try out the colors before investing in the big sets. We're up to 19 active carts, 5 are checking out, 3 just purchased. It's been a really fun morning, seeing the globe light up. It's really cool. We are consistently seeing, right away, there's a couple hundred people that are on the site, like shopping, but then it kind of quiets down that live view, and we're consistently seeing about, I would say 30 to 40 people. We can see the active carts, the checking out, and the purchases, which is really exciting. We've sold 2 of the big cookie cutter sets so far, which is so fun. And I also saw that we have 2 brand new customers. So welcome to the Flower Box. Thank you so much for shopping with us. But we also see a ton of our returning customers, Kathy, Anne-Marie, Tony, Mary, and Jackie, Janet. Oh my goodness, you guys, thank you so much for just being the best customers ever. Today we are going to focus on making sure all of our cutters are in stock. So we print enough to fill the initial orders and then see what is selling really well. And then we print more cutters. So I'm going to get a print list to Ariel. Kristen is checking all of our website settings just to make sure that we didn't miss anything, just reviewing all of that. Grace is going to be wrapping cutters, but we have actually a ton of stuff going on for our Child Club box that ships September 15th. So she is working on that, and Amy is filling orders. So the team is super busy. And so, yeah, just a really fun morning. Oh, thank you so much, Kathy. Thank you for the order. It's just fun being here and watching the live view. But really, I have a bunch of stuff to do for social media. I need to do a reel. I have our cookie parade that I love to do. It shows all of the new designs, which is super fun. The Haunted Gingerbread House is our free cutter for this release. And so I'm going to do a decorating video of that. That way, when people get their orders, they've already kind of seen how that cookie comes together. So I want to get that decorating video out there. I put it on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts. And yeah, I actually have a bunch of cookie decorating videos that I need to be editing here today. So we just got another order. Thank you, Cassandra. It's just so much fun. So thank you guys so much for shopping. I'll keep you updated on how this fun release is going, but it's kind of our kickoff to the busy season. And so it's exciting to see how things are going to go. So far, so good. All right. See you soon. Hey guys, it is Saturday morning after our lunch, and I just wanted to give you a little wrap up on kind of how everything went. It was a super busy 2 days, and I just want to say thank you so much for that. It was a really good launch, actually, slightly better than our Halloween release in 2024. So it's always encouraging to see when your small business is growing a little bit. We definitely did really well with our cutters. We filled almost all but I believe 20 orders from the first 2 days of the launch. So we'll catch up with all the final orders on Monday and get everybody's goodies out to them. But now on yesterday, Friday, and today, we're still seeing customers looking for those new products, those new cookie cutters. So I hope that this launch continues to sell well through the month of September, that we just see people interested in these Halloween cutters. We did sell out of most of the Halloween sprinkles. Those new sprinkles that I tried from PME were a big success. So that shows me, I know we're getting a small restock today for some of them. Some of them are sold out with PME. But I'm looking forward to trying more of those sprinkle mixes for the holiday season. I know they're coming out with new designs. I cannot wait to start ordering some of that stuff in. And then behind the scenes, we actually have two other projects that are going on at the same time. The first one is we are working on releasing STL files from our Halloween launch. And so we have our customer account page ready to go where you can find all of your downloads in one place. We have the product page designed and ready to go. And then we also have just the ability to deliver digital goods. And this will be especially helpful to non-US customers that have 3D printers that want to print their own cookie cutter designs at home. We have gotten this request so many times. Will we offer STL files? So I'm finally excited to try it and see if customers actually want this. I'll let you know how that goes. So we'll see that rolling out hopefully this week. And then we are working on our fall Flowerbox Club subscription box. All but one item is here. And it takes us about 3 months to go through this process to develop the seam, design the cutters, design the products. And this box is special because it has some brand new products in it which is really fun. I just got 50 boxes done. It took me about 40 minutes to do them and get them all lined with paper. So we have quite a project ahead of us for this week, but I'm glad the stamps are on there. I think they look super cute. We have figured out what the tutorials are going to be for this season. There's a monthly giveaway. Our coffee date is planned. There's just a ton. It takes us about 3 months to go through that process. But next week, this week coming up, we are going to be building all of the boxes, physically building all of the boxes. So it takes us about 6 weeks to print and wrap all the cutters. That's already been done. Our stencils, we actually still need to wrap those. And we need to wrap the backer cards that are going in the box. And then we need to build the boxes. So pretty big work week coming up for us. And I'm excited to do a little behind the scenes video on what it takes to get that subscription box built and shipped. And it's teamwork to the extreme. And it's always a fun week. You'll see we have some fun while we do it as well. So I hope you guys like this style of video. If you're interested in seeing more behind the scenes at the flower box, definitely drop a comment. Let me know what you think of this style video. And if you have any questions about what it's like to run a small cookie cutter business, I would love to connect with you. So until next time, guys, happy decorating.